Welcome back to dmpbreaks.com. We're doing part 2 of our 4-box Bowman draft picks and prospects baseball break. If you're coming in on part 2, you can go to dmpbreaks.com and find part 1 if you want to get caught up and see what we've pulled so far. So here we go, box number 4. Just a reminder, we're breaking for Lucky Griffin 3 and Jonathan E. This is a divisional break. Anything that gets pulled that doesn't belong to one of those two guys will end up at the dmpbreaks.com card store. You can look for the singles there if there's something you feel like you want to own yourself. Okay, here we go. I'm going to buzz through these pretty quick. Let's see here. We're going to go through the papers. We got Addison Reed and Stephen Golden on the chromes. Here's a couple nice ones. There's this Mitch Haniger. I think an ice. There's a Robert Benincasa blue refractor, numbered out of 250. Get that to focus. There we go, 250. Adam Giacalone chrome. Paper. Brian Lippincott chrome. AJ Pollock. There's the dual Utley Nakin. There's a refractor, Victor Roche. Geminian chrome. Chrome Cespedes. Chrome Winker. All right, we got a blue Liam Hendricks, numbered out of 500. Got a chrome Chen and a chrome Beck. We got a chrome Jacob Wilson and a refractor of Richie Shaper. There's a chrome Valdespin, Mets, and a chrome Taylor Hawkins, Rays. Prospect papers. All right, we've got dual fielder and Tulowitzki. We got a chrome Jorge Fernandez and a chrome Lex Rutledge. There's Justin Jackson, Miami. Edward Cabrera from the Rockies. Refractor, Mitch Gweller from the Phillies. Colby Copeland chrome. You got your dual McCutchen and Springer. Julio Felix chrome. Jake Proctor chrome. The Cespedes paper. Tanner Scheppers chrome. Alexander Murrin chrome. Joel Lycan, Eric Gonzalez, right, Sean McAdams, Chrome. This is a paper Mats Morale out of 250, orange. 250 at 250. It's one of a kind. Drew Smiley, Chrome. There's the dual McCutcheon Springer again. Refractor, Mike Dodig, Braves. And a Selman Chrome, Royals. Chrome, Leonis Martin. Nick Rout. Uh-oh, I see an orange refractor. This could be a good one. So the Chrome is a Ty Buttrey. You guys ready for this one? Hope it's an autograph. Anybody recognize him? Non-auto. Valentine from the Dodgers out of 25. There we go, number 10 of 25. Nice clean card. I don't see any, well, there's one little surface scratch on it. Not terrible. The centering is pretty good too. Still have an auto to pull. There's a blue paper of Mark Sappington. Chrome, Dozier, and Bard. There's Hunt Scantling. And a refractor of Keon Barnum. Chrome, Jesus Montero, Steve Bean. 3 packs left. Must be an auto in one of them. Dylan Cozens, Austin Dean, Joe Bircher, Astros, Willen Rosario. Last pack. The refractor. Braylon Jackson and Yoni Gonzalez. Did we hit the autograph and I just forgot? Orange refractor. I don't see an autograph in here. Am I losing my mind? Nope, no autograph in that box. So I'll have to contact Topps and see if they'll be willing to do something for us. Set all these aside. That's kind of a bummer. All right, last box. Here we go. All right, here it is. Good luck, everybody. Harper, Chrome Grimm, Chrome Perez, got an orange of DJ Davis, refractor Brandon Klein, Chrome Ron Miller, there's a Yu Darvish Chrome, Tyler Toole Chrome, there's Jimmy Ryder Chrome, Matt Wesinger Chrome, Benjamin Klein, Trevor Bauer, Wyatt Matheson, and Jonathan Sandfort. Jordan John, William Carmona, Sean Valeriote, and Stephen Pryor. There's a refractor, Ty Buttrey, Red Sox. Jeffrey Wendelken, Chrome. Jared Parker, Chrome. Michael Myers, Chrome. The blue refractor. On the front, we got Charles Gillies. In between the two, we've got Stephen Golden. And the refractor, blue, Eric Gonzalez. Astros, number to 250. 27 to 250. There's Casey Crosby and Fernando Perez. Refractor, Sam Selman. Chrome of Brett Wiley. There's a chrome of Tanner Scheppers and a chrome of Max White. Patrick Clausen and Mark Sappington. Drew Smiley, Yasmiel Valentin. Jason Wilson, and a refractor of Nick Rout. There's a Leonis Martin Chrome. Gavin Cecchini Chrome. Austin Maddox Refractor. Eric Wood Chrome. Jose Quintana. Lucas Sims. 4 packs left. Oh, I got a gold refractor, guys. This could be good. There's the chrome on front. Jason Stoltz is ready for a slow roll. Hope this is autographed, right? That's a Mets logo. Autograph gold refractor. Gavin Cecchini. A good looking card there. That's number 12 of 50. These are the ones everybody wants. Gold refractor autos. Like really good centering. I don't see any surface scratches on it. Oh, maybe one right by his right hand. Near the C. Autograph is clean. Beaut. Congratulations to the owner of that. 3 packs left. Got a blue Charles Gillies, and an Archer, and a Matt Olson Chrome. We've got a Fernelis Sanchez and a refractor of R.J. Alvarez. Last pack, Joe Kelly and Lewis Brinson. All right, there you have it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Short one autograph, so we'll get that right. Hopefully, or Topps will make that right for us. We will scan all the hits and make sure that they're available in our recap section of our dmpbreaks.com website. Anything that got pulled tonight that doesn't belong to one of the collectors is going to be available for sale in the card shop at dmpbreaks.com. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. We've got more breaks scheduled, especially some football breaks scheduled at dmpbreaks.com as well. Thanks for watching, everybody.